In this lesson, we are going to be looking at the 5 levels of Tiny Dancer. So what I mean is, anytime you sit down to play a song, there's a variety of ways that you can approach it, from a very beginner to a more advanced player. There are so many ways that you can dive into a song, and we're going to put that into practice here today with one of my most favorite songs of all time, Tiny Dancer. And we have a free lead sheet for you to download below the video so that you can print it off and have fun learning and playing the song at your own level at home. So here we go. So the first level I like to call the casual hobbyist. So this would be for a beginner or somebody who just kind of likes to, tinker around on the keys every now and then. So you could take a song like Tiny Dancer, and instead of playing any notes or reading any notes, you could just play the chord and go through the song this way. So all I'm doing is I'm looking at the chords on my chart and I'm moving them when they move according to the lyrics, really. So it'd be like this. Blue jean baby, LA lady. Look at all I'm having to do is keep my C here, and I'm playing a C to an inverted F chord here. Seems just for the band, and then it changes there a bit. So I would say that's like the very first level of playing Tiny Dancer. You're not playing any melody, you're not playing any fancy riffs, you're just getting your hands kind of comfortable with the chords and how the chords move. And I actually think that that's a great place to start any song, no matter what your level, because when you learn how to move through the chords that way, it really connects you to the song. And then when you begin to develop it, it just becomes so much easier. The next level, level 2, is what I call the weekend warrior. So, you kind of love the piano, you like to spend some time on the weekends figuring things out and playing. So at this point, you might be picking out the actual riffs of the song. So it would sound like this. You're able to kind of get the feel of the song, and then you might go back to chords. Blue jean baby. You might even be able to build in some rhythm. Hey, lady. You keep your left hand quite simple, and there's another riff. So that would be at about the weekend warrior level. You might make mistakes, you might not play super in tempo, but you're having a ton of fun with the song, and you're picking out the parts that are really iconic and familiar, and you're just having a good time. Level 3. I take lessons. So at this level, maybe you have a piano teacher that you see on a regular basis, or you're using an online learning platform that provides you with some guidance, and you're developing your sight reading skills and your hand coordination. So at this point, you could maybe play the melody. And fancy up that left hand. Start to begin to take some artistic, creative liberties with adding little bits of flavor that are your own in terms of like little fills and stuff. So that's sort of the I take lessons stage. Level 4 is playing in a band. So at this point, you're really able to be confident with the chord structures. You can play the melody, but in a band setting, you're choosing to just play the accompaniment. So this means you're confident with some riffs and fills and coordinating the hands. And if you need to, you can carry some of that melody line. So it might sound a little bit more like this. Blue jean baby. Full, your tempo would be super consistent because you're playing with other instruments, and you just have the sense of ease that allows you to add in the little extras to the song. And so then our final level, I'm just calling Elton John, because you can just sit down and you can rip through the song without really thinking about it. You're adding in all the extras that you like, you're adding style and flair, and I'm no Elton John, but you might get something closer to this. However you are the 5 levels of Tiny Dancer. And as you can see, it doesn't matter what level you're at. You can have so much fun playing songs. And that's the whole point of this lesson, is I really just wanted you to see that it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or a maestro or Elton John himself, the process of learning the songs you love should be fun and accessible to you at any level. So I would love to hear what level you identify with in this list when you go to approach a song. Have fun if you want to learn Tiny Dancer. Like I said, we have a free download for you that you can use to practice, play, and enjoy. So happy practicing, and we'll see you around.